possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Greensburg, Adams, Hope, Flat Rock, Milford, Geneva, and Burnie. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Decatur, and Shelby. Flood advisory in effect until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time this morning. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include a portion of central Indiana, including the following counties: Bartholomew, Decatur, Johnson, Rush, and Shelby. The hazardous conditions are expected until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The following impacts are expected: minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. Additional details at 6:57 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory.